In this video, I will go over the mechanism through which granulomas are formed. So there are two forms of granuloma, and granuloma is generally referred to a collection of macrophages. The caseating granuloma, where there is necrosis in the center. So here you can see that there is necrotic cells in the center, and it's usually seen with tuberculosis. And then we have non-caseating granuloma, where there is no necrosis in the center. So here you can see that there is no necrosis in the center of the granuloma, and this is usually seen with sarcoidosis or berylliosis. Now there are two important cells that are essential for the formation of granuloma. One is the macrophages, and two are Th1 helper T cells. So let's go through the mechanism through which granulomas are formed. So once macrophages pick up the antigen, they would present it to the CD4 T cells, and then by producing the IL-12, they induce the maturation of CD4 T cells into Th1 cells. So again, as a reminder, there are two cells that are required for the formation of granuloma. One is macrophages, and two is Th1 cell. So keep that in mind, Th1 cell and macrophages. And then once Th1 cells are differentiated, they will produce interferon gamma that would induce the macrophages to form epithelioid histiocytes, and that's an important hallmark of the granulomas. And sometimes macrophages fuse to each other to form multi-nucleated giant cells. And that concludes our discussion.